All right, you guys, so in today's video, I'm actually gonna show you how to find winning dropshipping products. Now, I know that you have done so much research, you've gone through countless videos just like this of other gurus showing you their methods, but I feel like in today's video, I'm gonna give you a different perspective of how to go about finding winning dropshipping products. And I'm gonna show you a few different methods that you can use to find winning dropshipping products that probably haven't been talked about in other videos. So make sure you stay to the end. So if you're ready to lock in, make sure you go ahead and drop a like, subscribe, all of that good stuff is greatly appreciated. And also, if you're a complete beginner to dropshipping and you want to learn from myself, be sure to join Unlimited Ecom Academy. It's my full A to Z dropshipping course where I go over everything that you need to know to make your first $10,000 a month online with dropshipping. There's hours and hours of step-by-step tutorials, plug and play templates. I give you my Shopify theme, I give you my suppliers, so on and so forth. So if you're interested, I'll be sure to leave that link at the top of the description. All right, so the first method that I'm gonna show you on how to find winning products is by finding out what's working on TikTok Shop, okay? And to do this, I use a tool called Tickstar. I'm not sponsored by them in any type of way. I actually pay for this. But it allows me to be able to analyze TikTok shops and what products are going viral. So once you're signed in, you'll just come up to product, go to product library, make sure it's actually selected on product here. And then for the product category, you want to just choose whatever products that you want to sell in. I'm just going to leave it broad so that way you can see a bunch of different products. But you can also sort by sales or new sales. So I typically do just sales and then within the last 7 days. And then these are all the hottest products within the past 7 days on TikTok Shop. You're able to see what their 7-day sales are, how many influencers they're working with, how many videos they have for the product, and so much more information. Now you're probably asking, why do I care what's going on TikTok Shop? So let's just take this detangling brush, for example. If we come over to, or if we just click on it, it'll bring us to this page where we can see, again, how much sales this product is getting. But more importantly, you can see all the content here and you can download them within a snap of a finger. So all you have to do is just click this button and now you have that video. So now what you can do is just go through, find a bunch of videos, put them into your editing software, bunch them up the way that you want to, and then run them as Facebook ads. Now, the reason why you want to run these products on Facebook is because it's going to be untapped. Most people are just focusing on TikTok Shop. So if you bring these products over to Facebook, you have so much potential. Now, just keep in mind that a lot of these products are branded, okay? So if you want to sell a supplement, obviously you're going to have to either go to like something like Supplefull or to another drop shipping like supplement manufacturer, but that may be a little bit difficult for a beginner. But a lot of these products are dropshipping products, okay? Like this, for example, is definitely a dropshipping product. Just because someone has their brand name on it does not mean that we can't flip it and make it better and take it for our own. Just make sure, again, you're careful. Now, the second way that I like to find winning dropshipping products is through a platform called AutoDS. Now, I've been talking about AutoDS on my channel for a while now, and it's for good reason, because I can not only use this platform as a product research tool, but I can also use this as my supplier. So if you're somebody out there that's still using AliExpress getting 40-day plus shipping times, what are you doing? You can literally try this out completely for free. But anyways, so when it comes to finding winning products with AutoDS, I like to use their Ad Spy section because this is pretty much the TikTok Creative Center, but 20 times better because I have all types of filters. And then on top of that, I can also see more than just TikTok. I can see Facebook ads, I can see Instagram, and I can also see, again, TikTok. So what I'll do is I'll come over to TikTok. Then for the advanced filters, I make sure that I go to countries and I'll select the United States. Languages, I go to English. Creation date, I just keep it at 30 days. Media type, video. E-commerce platform, obviously Shopify. And then if you want to, you can go to the source and you can do either organic or advertising. So in this case, I'll just click advertising, apply these filters, and then I usually I sort by the number of impressions. And then lastly, I go to likes and I make sure I put this at least 100 to 1,000. So that way we don't see any ads that are just being launched. So now I have much better search results that I can go through and find my next winner. All right, so I didn't even make it to the second page and I already found a product that we could sell. So this product right here, I already know is a winner because I have a student who's currently scaling it. But this right here is a baby protection pillow. So it just protects the head of an infant. So that way when they fall, they don't hit head first. So with AutoDS, you can see all types of useful information that can help you with your decision making. You can also come right here and download the video right from AutoDS, which is great if you're looking for content. And then on top of that, you can also click on Shop Now and it'll take you right to the competitor's page where you can get some inspiration. So if you want to try out AutoDS, I'll be sure to leave a link at the top of the description. That's going to get you your first 30 days completely for free. So you can add this right to your Shopify store and try it out without any risk. All right, so the final way that I'm gonna show you how to find winning products is a way that I just go back to each and every single time because it's reliable and it's easy. And I can do it from the comfort of my couch, okay? And that's gonna be right through your TikTok phone or the TikTok burner method. So if you don't know what the TikTok burner method is, it's pretty much where you just make a burner account on TikTok. You're only gonna use it for looking for products, not for liking anything else, not Amazon stuff, not sports, nothing, just for product research, okay? So this is mine right here. And what you're gonna have to do to make sure your feed is on point is go to something like TikTok, maybe buy it. I want a refund, products you need, whatever the case may be. I'm gonna just do TikTok, maybe buy it. And you're gonna scroll and you're gonna like and save a ton of these videos, all the product related videos. So I'll come to something like this, I'll like this, I'll save it, and then I'll move on to the next one. And I'll do the exact same thing. And I'm gonna do this for about 10 to 15 minutes. And now what's gonna end up happening is now you'll have a supercharged TikTok For You page that's just gonna feed you products every 2 or 3 swipes. So let me just show you what that is. So let me click on home and we're gonna count how many swipes it takes. So 1 swipe, 2 swipes, 3 swipes. Okay, that was a lot more. Okay, 3 swipes and we found a dropshipping related product. Okay, so how I used to preserve my ultrasound versus, and you can see this is literally just the same type of product but with a different marketing angle. So this product here is showing a ultrasound but in the video format. So it's just like this product has already been around plenty of times, but this company is actually taking a unique angle to it, which I really like. So again, we can scroll again, another dropshipping related product, another dropshipping related product, okay? And we could keep scrolling through and again, you get the point. So now I could just do this for about 10 to 20 minutes a day and then find a bunch of winning products. Now, another thing that you can do is you come up to the search bar, again, go to TikTok, maybe buy it, click on the 3 dots on the top right, click filters, and then for the filters, I like to do like count, and then I also like to sort by the past 3 months. So that way I see products that have been going viral within the past 3 months, okay? Because you don't want something that's past 6 months because that might be too far back to where that product may not be trending anymore or may not be as hot as it once was. And then all you have to do is just literally scroll and find products, okay? It's really that simple. Now, just to give you a few pieces of advice, because I know a lot of people talk about the TikTok burner method, you're basically looking for videos that have a lot of engagement. So not only just likes, but also comments of people actually asking about the product or where to buy it. So this one right here, very useful. I need one. I need this. Awesome. Where can I buy it? That's showing buying intent. So you know that people actually want this product. But also you want to go to their profile. Now this is important because you want to make sure that they just didn't have a one-hit wonder. Okay, it's just one video that went viral. You want to see that their page is actually getting views. So as you can see, each one of these videos, 8,000, 6,000, 7,000, 5,000. That's pretty solid and consistent, as well as 2 pinned videos that have 12,000 views and 65,000 views. And it looks like they just made this account not too long ago. So not bad. One last thing I want to say about the TikTok burner method, and I actually want to give you a free gift. So if you're watching at this point of the video, I'm gonna hook you guys up. Okay, so what I want to show you is that you can actually find your products fairly easily. So a lot of the times when you're scrolling, you're not gonna know what a product is, okay? You're like, I don't know what this product is called, but I see a video of it. How can I find it on AliExpress really quick? So what you're gonna do is actually click into the video. Then you're gonna go ahead and take a screenshot. Then you're gonna come to AliExpress, you're gonna click on this magnifying glass and you're gonna upload that photo right here. So here's the image right here. We're gonna open this up, let AliExpress do its thing, and boom. So that's how you're gonna be able to find, the name of the product or what the product is if you don't know the actual name, okay? And to give you your free gift, it's this product research sheet. So I talked about how to find winning products, but when you're finding tons of products, you're gonna, lose track of it if you're not keeping it, in one place. So I use this product research sheet right here and I give it away to all my students. If you actually go down to the description, it's there. You can click the link, it's 100% free. Just to give you a quick rundown of what this is. So I will find a product, I'll type the name of the product here, I'll put, the CJ link or the AliExpress link or the TikTok link, competitors links, product costs, like sales price, I put everything here, okay? And it's all broken down so that way you can figure everything out. And then I also include this product criteria section. So if you don't know how to actually calculate your break-even point or your break-even ROAS, I show you exactly how to do that. And I have this right here. So if you wanna check that out, again, it's completely completely free. You could just go down to the description. So that's going to do it for the video. I hope you guys did enjoy and that you took some value from it. If you did, be sure to go ahead and drop a like and subscribe to the channel. I greatly appreciate it. Also, let me know in the comment section down below what you guys want to see from me in the future. I hope you guys have a good rest of your day or night whenever you're watching this, and I'll see you guys next time.